In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into Salesforce HTML email templates. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to enhance their email communications with visual content. Adding images can make your emails more engaging and professional. And today we'll go through the entire process step by step to ensure you can do it with ease. Let's get started. First, head over to Salesforce and access your homepage. From here, you need to click on the App Launcher. The App Launcher is your gateway to all the tools and features that Salesforce has to offer. Look for the search box if you need to quickly find and access email templates. Once you're in the App Launcher, our next move is to navigate over to the Email Templates section. You can find this in the list of apps provided. Email templates are incredibly useful for maintaining consistency in your communications, and having ready-to-use templates can save you a lot of time in the long run. Next up, we need to create a new email template, so go ahead and click on New Email Template. This will allow you to start fresh with a template where you can add your image. At this stage, you'll be prompted to input a name for your email template. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Naming templates effectively is part of good organizational practices. After naming your template, you'll have to choose a related entity type. This choice allows you to assign the email template to a certain type of record, like a contact or a lead. It's helpful for automating the sending process to specific groups. Don't forget to input a subject line for your email. The subject line serves as the first impression for your email recipient, so make it compelling and informative. Now, let's add the image. Click on the image icon in the template editor. This icon is usually represented by a small picture or photo symbol, so it's easily recognizable. Clicking it opens up your image options. You'll then be asked to choose an image. Browsing through your available images in Salesforce will let you select the one that fits your email's message. Take a moment to find an image that aligns well with the content of your email. Once you've decided on an image, click to choose the specific one you need. A preview might appear to confirm your choice. This is a good chance to double-check that the image looks right and is appropriate for your audience. After you're satisfied with your image choice, click Insert to add it into your email template. Placement and formatting might need slight adjustments, but Salesforce typically handles images well within its templates. Lastly, make sure to click Save. Saving preserves all your hard work and ensures your template is ready to be used whenever needed. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding images to Salesforce HTML email templates. With these steps, you can now create visually appealing email templates in Salesforce, making your emails stand out and grab the attention of your recipients. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!